Sandesh. Here are the news updates for the month of January.
As the clock struck midnight on the New Year's Day, we were flooded with many wishes and greetings of our family, friends, and near and dear ones.
2nd January 2025 marked as the reopening day of our school for the entire staff, comprising of both teaching and non-teaching personnel. The day's proceedings included various subject-wise meetings of various group of teachers, followed by a seminar conducted by our talented teachers, namely Nilofer ma'am, Samiksha ma'am and Shiny ma'am, to discuss these steps for the upliftment of a students' academic excellence and to understand their mentality and the updated version of a student's report card that will include the remarks of peers, parents and teachers.
Our outstanding student Avni Chaure of class 11th aspirers won the first prize in the painting competition hosted by the District Level Youth Celebration Committee of Narmadapuram. Our students brought laurels to school by bragging medals in Bharat Ratna National Karate Championship held on 19th January. Manasvi Gubrele of 8th Believers got silver medal. Rimsha Bhati of 7 Challengers, Stuti Joshi of 8th Dreamers, Kirtish Tokse of 6th Dreamers, Parth Yadav of 6th Explorers, and Kavya Yadav of 5th Explorers got bronze medals.
On the same day, our school welcomed back its esteemed alumni for a reunion party where they mingled with the current teaching staff, shared their experiences and played some games to creating lifelong memories.
On January 4th, the entire teaching and non-teaching staff, accompanied by our sisters, embarked on a picnic and trekked to the Satkunda. They let loose and reveled in the joy of the outing, learning behind the stresses of daily life and embracing the carefree spirit of their inner child.
January 6th marked a significant day for the school as it not just signaled the reopening of the academic year but also the commencement of the periodic test 2 exams which ran from 6th of January to 11th of January for the classes from nursery to 9 and 11th.
The students, parents, teachers and administrative staff of our school worked comprehensively together to collect and update the Aadhaar card information, ensuring the successful registration in APAR ID of all the students.
Similarly, the additional registration of some more Pariksha Pe Charcha forms were registered, supporting the government's innovative initiative to facilitate exam discussion among students, teachers and the Prime Minister. But the best thing was that our class 11 student Pranali Hindwar excelled at the Pariksha Pe Charcha quiz competition held at Shri PM Kendriya Vidyalaya, earning the 3rd prize and a certificate.
Furthermore, the group photos taken last month featuring students from specific classes along with their respective class and subject teachers were shared to the corresponding class groups.
Our school's Savait Seva, Tradition and Target were successfully fulfilled on various dates. Class 1st Aspirers and Believers on January 10, Class 1st Challengers and Dreamers on January 17, Class 1st Explorers and KG2 Aspirers on January 25, Class KG2 Challengers and Dreamers on January 31st. The initiative instills in our students the values of love, compassion and service towards humanity.
On 8th of January, with profound sadness, we mourn the loss of Samrat Singh Tomar, a bright student of class 3rd Dreamers. We extended our heartfelt condolences to his family and collectively prayed for the peaceful repose of his soul.
On 13th of January, our school released an online notice and a pamphlet announcing the vacancies for qualified teachers in English, Science and Mathematics. The eligible candidates are invited to submit their resumes.
On 21st of January, a webinar was organized titled as 3030 A Club with STEM Education Online Series, catering to the professional development needs of DTC, DAR-DTC and school educators.
CBSE released handbooks and resources on gender-sensitive pedagogy on their website cbseacademic.nic.in, promoting activity-based learning. In response, our school organized an engaging English activity exploring the topics such as antonyms, synonyms, homophones, and homonyms. Furthermore, the Peace Club conducted a slogan competition fostering creativity and critical thinking among the students.
On 23rd of January, Social Studies Olympiad was successfully conducted within our school, fostering a spirit of learning and competition among all the students.
This Republic Day, students from classes 1st, 2nd and 8th mesmerized the audience with their patriotic spirit and heartfelt performances. Meanwhile, the students of class 9th and 11th showcased their marching skills, giving a tough competition. The atmosphere was electric, filled with thunderous cheers of big victory to Mother Earth as the students displayed their pride and unity.
Last month, on 25th December, our pre-primary teachers visited an orphanage named Sanskar Sanstha to spread Christmas cheers. They offered gifts and blessings to all the students for their future successes, embodying our institution's commitment and gesture of expressing love, humanity and kindness towards all.
Our KG kids celebrated Republic Day with patriotic fervor. The event also featured prize distribution ceremony honoring young achievers. The chief guest was Mrs. Rita Uike, Joint Director, Horticulture Department of Horticulture and Food Precision. It was not only a day of celebration but also a day when the audience witnessed the talents of our young kids.
Wait, that's not all. Our school has gone the extra mile to support students who need extra attention. It has initiated special morning classes for students from class 1st to 9th from 8 am to 9 am, specifically catering to slow learners. Upcoming events.
Final exams for classes 9th and 11th begins from 14th of February.
Annual examination for class 1st to 8th commences from 24th of February.
Gratitude Day for non-teaching staff is to be held on 15th of February.
Farewell for our 12th standard students to be organized in the first week of February.
Board examination for 10th and 12th commences from 15th February and 17th February respectively. On behalf of all Servite fraternity, we wish our board exam students all the very best. May your hard work and dedication yield outstanding results. You have our love, support and prayers. Go make us proud.
For further updates,
Like
share
and subscribe our channel.
Introducing the foundation of future success. We are thrilled to announce that admissions are now open for our nursery, KG1 and KG2. Don't miss the opportunity to give your child the best possible start in life. Apply now for the admission and watch them grow into happy, confident and curious learners.